Today we are going to solve pi over 3. As we know, pi is equal to 22 over 7. So we put its value in equation. Pi over 3 is equal to mm, at where is pi we write there 22 over 7 we know divided by 3. So this is equation. Now next term is we convert divide to multiply. So when we convert divide to multiply, 3 goes down and uh, it turns into 22 over 7 into 1 over 3. So we know 22 ones are 22, 7 threes are 21. So 22 over 21. So next we divide 22 by 21. 21 ones are 21 and 22 minus 21 is equal to 1. We know 1 is less than 20. 1, so we write point and take 0, again 0. So 21 fours are 84. 100 minus 84 is equal to 16. We put 0 because it is less than 21. So it becomes 160 and 21 fours are 147. So after minus 13 again 0, 21 sevens are 126, 4, 6. So we get the value pi over 3 is equal to 1.476 approximately. Answer. Follow, share, like, subscribe for more videos.